examining the perinatal results in patients suffering from acute fatty liver of pregnancy. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Introduction. Acute fatty liver of pregnancy, AFLP, is a rare obstetric emergency requiring immediate attention and intensive care to avoid adverse outcomes for the mother and fetus. High morbidity and mortality are seen among women with AFLP. As this condition poses many complications and is varied in its clinical presentation, the perinatal outcomes in women diagnosed with AFLP were studied. Materials and methods. This was a retrospective study that involved all patients over the past 6 years who presented with AFLP. Clinical signs and other altered biochemical parameters were included. Results. In the study, 19 women were diagnosed to have AFLP. The mean age of the study population was 25.74 plus or minus 3.7 years. 73.68% women were below the age of 30 years. A gestational age of more than 37 weeks was seen in 68.42% women. 10 primigravide, 52.63%, and 9 multiparous, 47.3% women were found to present with AFLP. The mean blood loss at the time of delivery for a lower section cesarean section and vaginal delivery was 787.5 plus or minus 494.07 ml and 280 plus or minus 44.72 ml, respectively. The preferred treatment at the time of admission was transfusion of fresh frozen plasma, FFP, mean 7.00 plus or minus 9 pints. Followed by transfusion of platelet, mean 2.37 plus or minus 3.515 pints, transfusion of packed red blood cells, mean 2.21 plus or minus 3.691 pints, and cryoprecipitate, mean 0.0 plus or minus 2 pints, 47.37% women were delivered through emergency lower segment cesarean section, LSCS. And all 21.05% pregnant women who succumbed to AFLP underwent an LSCS. Among the newborns, 65% of them were low birth weight and 10.53% had fetal distress. Conclusion. This study showed a higher maternal mortality rate of 21% in comparison to other studies. Health professionals should be sensitized about this condition, and the use of the existing scoring system available to help in detecting AFLP at an early stage to reduce maternal mortality and adverse fetal outcomes. Blood loss at the time of delivery makes it imminent to arrange for appropriate treatment and supportive care in the management of the patient, which includes fresh frozen plasma transfusion, which was found beneficial in the patients. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.